Welcome to the Lazy Panda. We're opening up those Chilling Reign booster box today, baby. Here we go. Let's see some magic. Opening up 10 packs. Let's get going. All right, I'll be opening 5 packs, and Bo's gonna be opening 5 packs also. So let's get into this. Going with the Shadow Rider Calyrex. First pack open, and again we're opening up from our booster box that we bought. Said we're gonna do like a couple series with it. We're starting off with a green card. So we're just continuing the series with it, and hopefully we get some nice stuff from here. Water Energy goes with that Sobble, Rugged Helmet, Crushing Gloves. That'd be kind of cool to have like Crushing Gloves and just kind of like go around and Hulk smash stuff. What do you think?
That'd be
Caitlyn, Reverse Hollow. Very nice.
Okay, Caitlyn.
Okay, Caitlyn. Caitlyn
Jenner.
evolves. Caitlyn Jenner evolves from Bruce Jenner.
Oh my god. That's a horrible.
Oh, white code card. Let's
Hello.
go. Gotta love those white code cards. Fire Energy. We got a full art.
Oh
Look
yeah,
at
we do.
Oh, the
Get
suspense.
it, get it,
You
get
can
it.
cut the suspense with a knife. Castform, Ghastly, Chestplate, and Articuno V! Let's go!
Articuno.
Who's your daddy?
Oh, nice legendary bird.
Bird is the word. Articuno, my favorite is Moltres, but in the game, Articuno is like super cool because he actually cloned himself. He would clone himself to be a.
I thought Articuno was always a water energy, but it looks like he's psychic in the V form.
Bugs. This is okay. So like, this is a different region of Pokemon. So these are the Galar birds. You're talking about the Kanto.
Oh.
So that's what's happening. Yeah, Articuno's ice and.
My apologies for my uneducated Pokemon talk.
Hey, we forgive you here on the Lazy Panda. Please don't unsubscribe. She doesn't know any better.
I know.
She's just a youngling.
I just like cards.
Yeah, these are Galarian birds. So so Zapdos is usually electric. I believe he's ground or fighting now. And then Moltres is dark, I believe.
Interesting.
Yes, Golett, Clobbopus, Castform, Walorn. He looks like you could put like a clown nose on him. He do pretty well for himself. All right, guys, I'm on my last pack here. Very happy with that Galarian Articuno, though. Another green card. Dang. 2, 3, 4. I declare a thumb roar. Do we say that in every video?
I think so.
Flannery, Aggron, Ralts, Venipede, Bumbleweed, Lapras, Skrillex, and Weezing. Alright, Books, you ready to take over?
I'm ready. All right.
Put them in the background, give you something to look at other than my granite countertop.
My thumbs that always struggle to open these packs. I have fingernails. Don't get why it doesn't work for me.
You might have to result the scissors.
I
Green
might.
code, come on, Bugs.
I know.
Oh, I didn't do much
It's gonna be electric. Or steel. That was my second guess.
It conducts electricity.
Kuna. Fairy.
Ronald Acuna.
Spear.
Dynatree.
Dynatree. Malware.
Malamar, it's Malamar.
This is nuts. It's just me. Because you don't have these problems.
No, I don't open it like that either.
How do you open it?
How to open Pokemon cards with the Lazy Panda. I just kind of like grip it here, that, and rip.
Grip and rip. All right.
Grip and rip, yes.
Grip and rip.
I think that's how I do it. Oh, full art. Oh, son of a...
A lot of greens this time around.
Golly.
How many is that? That was 1 white for 7 green cards?
Please, please. Galarian birds, turn this around.
Kubfu, he's cool.
I almost like him better than Urshifu, but it is what it is.
Ooh, Spirit Bomb. Ghostly Cries.
Let's go, Bugs. Come on. Come on, Bugs. Yeah, there we go. Hey,
Rip.
we got our opening under 5 seconds now. Oh yes.
Oh. Will
Alright.
there be a full art?
It's gonna be an alternate art.
Oh, secret rare.
Alternate art.
Dynatry.
Oh, I can get some- I
Sparrow.
think it's a full art.
You think?
It looks black back there. That little rim.
I don't think so.
Come on.
But hey, I like some hollows.
You know what?
Still
If this was a
a
game, I'd let
collection.
him faint and not revive him. Sorry, people. I'm not going to sugarcoat
is-
it at all.
Rude. Just be honest with them. You know,
Just-
don't let them go into battle thinking one is gonna happen.
Hey,
And it's really the
You're
other.
not getting revived if you die. You're
So-
a white code card.
Let's screw up.
You screwed me, people. Damn it, woman! Come on!
It's not my fault.
This is 6 and up. You're like 25. Should be able to...
I'm
Yes, the white!
26.
Hey, you know what? As long as you keep pulling the white ones, we're on the same page. Psychic? Articuno's Psychic? Alternate art? Articuno?
Old
Old
cemetery.
Ooh, that's cool.
cool
Looks
art.
like Van Gogh.
Yeah.
Or 3-year-old.
Either way.
Oh, that's a full art. I see some black back
That
there.
is a full art back there. Who is it?
Oh!
Metacross!
V.
Tight.
I'll
put
revive him a couple times,
Put
but
you
I'm
next to Articuno.
not always gonna revive him. Not my first priority.
All right, last pack.
Last one.
Will it be a white code card? It better be. So these ratios even out.
Yeah, well, we got 4. That was almost 50-50, huh?
It's only 3 white code cards to,
3.
yeah. And another green.
Come on, baby. Water.
Path to
One
the
more. One more.
peak.
Oh, that's cool.
Ooh.
I like that one a lot. And the
Cool
other
artwork.
chameleons are
Oh,
changing
you
colors.
see it.
That's awesome. One more. Let's end on a white.
Wow.
Let's end on a white.
We're just gonna pick a random pack.
Yes.
How about this one
All right.
or this one?
Hey, you gotta go with your gut.
This is the one. This is what I'm feeling.
Come on, one more. We gotta end it strong. If you don't end it strong,
I
people
know,
remember
it's
the
no good.
beginning and the end.
I'm gonna give you a good ending. That sounded weird. Okay.
That's what she said.
I didn't mean to say that. And a white code card.
Yes!
I got a feeling
Can't end a video badly.
that there's gonna be a full art in here.
Electric.
Boogie, boogie, boogie.
Come on. Oh my gosh,
baby. Urshifu, Single Strike.
Galarian
Slow King.
Very cool. At least we ended it on a white. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time on the Lazy Panda. Bye.
Bye.